Hi, everyone. So today we are going to be going over some reading comprehension skills. So you are going to do an IXL reading comprehension series. So I want you to really think when you read a paragraph, you need to be not just reading the words, but you need to be paying attention to what the words mean. So as you read, stop for a moment and think, what is it trying to say to me? What are the words saying to me? So I'm going to let me pop this up and then you can still see me. Okay, so here's a question. It says, or here's a passage. It says, read the passage about Mars robot Curiosity. So whenever you do some reading comprehension questions, my suggestion to you is to read the question first. What is one reason people can't go to Mars? It's too hot there or it's too far away. So that's the question. Now I'm going to read the passage. People can't make it to Mars yet. It takes too long to get there and it's not an easy place to live. So scientists sent a robot to look around Mars for them. The robot is named Curiosity. One of its jobs is to find out if anything can live on Mars. Well, I think the question was actually answered in that first paragraph. The question was, what is one reason people can't go to Mars? And it says it's too far away. It says it takes too long to get there. So to me, that makes sense, but I'm going to keep reading to make sure that that answer is the best answer. Curiosity has many cameras. It takes pictures as it moves around Mars. Curiosity sends the pictures back to the scientists on Earth. Scientists hope that the pictures will make it easier for us to visit Mars someday. So I'm going to go back. It says it takes too long to get there. It didn't say anything about it being too hot there, so I think it's too far away is the best answer. Oh, brilliant. It says I'm brilliant. Okay, so now there's another question about the Mars robot Curiosity. Why do scientists want pictures of Mars? They want people to be able to go there. They want to explore its oceans. So I'm going to reread that passage and I'm going to see what does it say anything about people want to go there or about exploring oceans. So let's read. People can't make it to Mars yet. It takes too long to get there, and it's not an easy place to live. So scientists sent a robot to look around Mars for them. The robot is named Curiosity. One of its jobs is to find out if anything can live on Mars. Curiosity has many cameras. It takes pictures as it moves around Mars. Curiosity sends the pictures back to the scientists on Earth. Scientists hope that pictures will make it easier for us to visit Mars someday. So it says scientists hope that pictures will make it easier for us to visit Mars someday. It didn't say anything about exploring oceans. So I think they want people to go there is the best answer. Excellent. Okay, so now we have a passage is called A New Discovery. I'm going to look at the picture. Looking at the picture also can help you be good at reading comprehension. So it looks like there's a picture of a turtle, and in the background I can see like a little diver. I'm going to read the question first. What did the scientists discover? A sea turtle with a glowing shell or a sea turtle that can fly? So let's read the paragraph and see. A few scientists were looking for sharks when they saw something surprising. They found a sea turtle that glowed. This turtle's shell was bright red and green. This was a new discovery. Scientists had never seen a sea turtle with a glowing shell before. Scientists want to know why these turtles have a shell that glows. Sadly, there are not many of these turtles left in the world, so it's hard to learn about them. What did scientists discover? A sea turtle with a glowing shell? Well, they definitely did because it said they found a sea turtle that glowed. A sea turtle that can fly. It didn't say anything about finding a sea turtle that can fly. So I need to look back in the paragraph and find my supporting information. So it said they found a sea turtle that glowed. So I can go back. I'm going to answer with that answer, and then I'm going to say submit. Another question. Why is it hard to study these sea turtles? There are only a few of these sea turtles left, or these turtles are hard to catch. Well, I don't remember seeing anything about it being hard to catch, so I'm going to reread it. This time I'm just going to reread it in my head. Okay, so I looked back and I reread my paragraphs, and it said, sadly, there are not many of these turtles left in the world, so it's hard to learn about them. So why is it hard to study these turtles? There are only a few left. I'm going to hit submit, and I'm good to go. So I want you guys to use a couple of those skills to help you with reading comprehension questions. Look at the picture. Read the question first, then read the paragraph. Go back into the paragraph and look for the answer. Don't just say, oh, I think it's this. Go back in and find a detail that supports your answer. So don't just read and guess, or read and use the information that you know. Use the information from the paragraph. So hopefully this helps you guys with reading comprehension.